Are you tired of yo-yo dieting? Do you find yourself constantly jumping from one diet to another, only to see minimal results that don't last? Have you tried every fad diet out there, only to end up back where you started? It's frustrating, isn't it? The promises of quick fixes and miracle solutions often lead to disappointment and a sense of failure. But what if I told you there's a better way to lose weight and improve your health? A method that doesn't involve starving yourself or giving up your favorite foods. Imagine enjoying a balanced meal without the guilt. Be sure to watch to the end, because we're going to talk about intermittent fasting, and it's changing the way people think about weight loss. This isn't just another diet trend, it's a lifestyle change that can lead to sustainable results. If you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. This approach can fit into any lifestyle, making it accessible and flexible for everyone. It's more of an eating pattern. By cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, you can harness the body's natural rhythms to optimize health and weight loss. It's about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, and it can be surprisingly easy and effective. Many people find it liberating to not be constantly thinking about food. Intermittent fasting might sound intimidating, but it's actually a very simple concept. Instead of focusing on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting, and there are different methods to choose from. Some people find it easier to fast for longer periods, while others prefer shorter fasts. The key is to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. The beauty of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. It's not about deprivation. It's about finding an eating pattern that you can stick to long term. And the best part? The benefits go far beyond weight loss. Intermittent fasting isn't one size fits all. It's a flexible approach to eating that can be tailored to fit your unique lifestyle and goals. There are several different approaches, each with its own unique set of rules and benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your metabolic health, or simply find a more structured way to eat, there's likely a method that will suit your needs. Let's take a look at some of the most popular methods and see how they work. 16/8 method. This is one of the simplest and most popular forms of intermittent fasting. It's easy to follow and can fit into most people's daily routines without much hassle. You fast for 16 hours each day and restrict your eating to an 8-hour window. This method is often chosen by those who find it easier to skip breakfast and start their eating window later in the day. For example, you might skip breakfast and eat your meals between noon and 8 p.m. This way, you can still enjoy lunch and dinner, making it a convenient option for many. 5-2 method. With this method, you eat normally for 5 days a week and then restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This approach can be effective for those who prefer not to fast every day. Eat, stop, eat. This involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. It's a more intense form of intermittent fasting, but can yield significant benefits for those who can handle longer fasting periods. For example, you might eat dinner on Monday evening and then not eat again until dinner on Tuesday evening. This method requires a bit more discipline but can be very effective for weight loss and metabolic health. The best method for you will depend on your individual preferences, lifestyle, and goals. It's important to choose a method that you can stick with long term, as consistency is key to seeing results. Experiment with different approaches to find what feels most sustainable and enjoyable for you. Remember, the best diet is the one that you can maintain and that makes you feel your best. Happy fasting! One of the primary reasons intermittent fasting has gained so much popularity is its effectiveness in promoting weight loss. By reducing your calorie intake during fasting periods, you naturally create a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding those extra pounds. But intermittent fasting goes beyond simple calorie restriction. It triggers a cascade of metabolic changes within your body that optimize fat burning. During fasting, your insulin levels drop, which signals your body to start burning stored fat for energy. Moreover, intermittent fasting can help regulate your appetite hormones, making it easier to control cravings and stick to a healthy eating pattern. It's a sustainable approach to weight loss that addresses both the physical and psychological aspects of eating. Beyond weight loss, the health benefits of intermittent fasting. While weight loss is a significant benefit of intermittent fasting, its advantages extend far beyond slimming your waistline. This eating pattern has been studied extensively and has shown promising results in various aspects of health and wellness. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a wide range of health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more efficient at managing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing metabolic diseases. Intermittent fasting can help improve your body's response to insulin, reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, it can lead to reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting can help mitigate these risks. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. Another significant benefit is heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve various heart health markers, such as lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. These changes can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain boost. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may enhance brain function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and even improve memory. This is because fasting can stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports brain health. Fasting periods allow your body to focus on cellular repair and remove waste products, promoting longevity and overall health. This process, known as autophagy, helps to keep your cells functioning optimally and can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Real people, real results. Intermittent fasting success stories. Countless individuals have experienced life-changing transformations through intermittent fasting. From significant weight loss to improved energy levels and reduced disease risk, the success stories are inspiring and motivating. Take, for instance, Sarah, a 45-year-old woman who struggled with her weight for years. After adopting the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting, she lost 25 pounds in just a few months. More importantly, her energy levels soared, and she felt more confident than ever. Then there's John, a 50-year-old man who was pre-diabetic. By incorporating intermittent fasting into his routine, he was able to reverse his pre-diabetes and regain control of his health. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who have benefited from this powerful lifestyle change. Your intermittent fasting journey starts now. A beginner's guide. Ready to start your own intermittent fasting journey? Here's a simple guide to get you started. 1. Choose your method. Select an intermittent fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. 2. Start gradually. Don't try to do too much too soon. Ease into intermittent fasting by gradually extending your fasting periods. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee during your fasting windows to stay hydrated and curb hunger. 4. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Break your fast with healthy, whole foods that provide sustained energy and nourishment. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional if necessary. Listen to your body tips for intermittent fasting success. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember that it's essential to listen to your body and adjust your approach as needed. Here are some additional tips for success. Break your fast gently. When it's time to eat, start with small, easily digestible meals to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Get enough sleep. Prioritize quality sleep, as it plays a crucial role in regulating your appetite hormones and supporting overall health. Manage stress. Stress can trigger cravings and make it harder to stick to your fasting routine. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Be patient and consistent. Intermittent fasting is a marathon, not a sprint. Results take time, so be patient with yourself and stay consistent with your chosen method. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle shift that can transform your health and well-being. By harnessing the power of intermittent fasting, you can lose weight, improve your overall health, and feel more energized than ever before. Ready to join the intermittent fasting revolution? Start by exploring the different methods, choose one that resonates with you, and embark on your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Do you have any questions about intermittent fasting? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health and weight loss tips. If you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, watch this next video.